Alright guys, so let's get started in this little tutorial of these passion twists. So I got 3 packs of this water wave hair and they were $70.99 a piece. I got black rubber bands and I also got this shine and jam, which you will definitely need. You want to soak the rubber bands in some oil. It doesn't matter what oil, just so they won't pull your hair out when you're removing the protective style. And I'm just showing you that you need clips and also a parting comb. And here I'm just going to start parting my hair. And I have that mirror in the back so that I can see, obviously. And it's like not the cutest setup, but like it was necessary. And now I'm just showing you the front of my hair and how I parted it. And basically how I applied the shining jam to my hair and was able to part the entire front section of my hair. So right here, I am just showing you guys, basically, I'm clipping my hair back, one, because I suck so bad that I have to have my hair out of the way. So I'm putting shiny jam on the ends of my hair so that it blends in better with the water wave hair. And then you want to take the hair out of the pack and kind of like mess it up a little bit so that it's kind of frizzy, but kind of not. And then you want to take the hair and apply it on the little rubber band like you would for a box braid. So you want to take it, braid it like you would a box braid, and then you want to either split the hair, your natural hair, in two and just twist it really tightly in with the water wave hair, or you can just literally combine it with one strand and twist it that way. But it's very easy, very simple, and not hard to do. But my hair was super short, so I had to keep going back and making sure that the pieces were blending. But as you can see, it's not hard to get the hair to blend, especially if you have longer hair than mine. Alright guys, so this is how the hair turned out. Voice cracking, it's early, I'm sorry. Okay, it's not COVID. But this is how the hair turned out. Like, let me try to part it for y'all. Like, parts is crisp. It came out super cute, so I wanted some short ones, so I cut it, and I got the hair in 12 inches to begin with, so I didn't have to do a lot of cutting. And the packs were only $7.99, and I actually needed almost all 3 packs because I got a big head. But anyway, so if you do them smaller than what I did, like my sections are actually pretty big. These are like, I don't know, jumbo passion twists. But if you do your section smaller than what I did, you're gonna need 4 packs, definitely. So they were $70.99 each. So run the calculations if you got your calculator out. This shine and jam, absolutely need this, was $3.99. They had a bigger one for like $6.99, but I didn't feel like I was gonna do this hairstyle more than once because I didn't know if I would like it or not. But see, it's hitting. It's hitting, all right? And I got different colors, so I'm definitely gonna try it again. And then you needed clips and a parting comb, and you needed some rubber bands. These were actually like $1.99, and there's 500 of these, so I have plenty to use for the next time. And then I bought this. You don't need this, but I bought this because I'm starting my hair journey over and I want my hair to be strong from the jump. I also bought some, hold on. I also bought this Keratin Eco Style Professional Styling Gel Protein gel because I heard that when your hair is high porosity or basically when your hair is like mine, it's high porosity. So, well, I don't know if it is anymore because I cut my hair, but I heard your hair really loves this and really reacts well to this type of gel. So I want to give this a try. And I mean, worst comes to worst, it was only $3.99, so it's really not a big deal. But yeah, this was a cheap hairstyle for me to do. So I'm going to actually style this hair because I have a big head. Y'all see it, I have a big head. So I'm gonna leave these two twists down in the front, and then y'all, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It was hard sleeping last night because baby girl, this hairstyle is fresh. Like, look at them parts, beautiful. But and it took me forever to do this freaking hair. I mean, at least 2 to 3 hours. So, and that's like, the part's not even big, but look how cute this is already, period. All right, I'm gonna style this. Hold up. I don't want to mess up my twist because I did do these twists for my surgery next week. Actually, I'll leave next week. Ooh, that's cute, period. I would suggest, just because I don't like the way this pink thing is sitting, hold up, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it through. Right, pull it through. Oh, also to lock in your hair and make sure it don't move, use a mousse. I saw some other people use Nairobi because that's a really good mousse, but I totally forgot to even look for it when I was at the beauty supply store. So I had this Aussie 24-hour whole mousse. This stuff, period, the true. I don't know what Nairobi doing, but I'm not gonna steer you wrong with that mousse. All right, period. I said what I said. I got it at Target, so if you really want it, go get it, sis. Also, when I dip my rubber bands in the oil I used was jojoba oil. You can literally use any kind of oil, it really don't matter. So I'm actually going to bring the twist up front like this and then kind of clip them right here because I got a big ass head. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna use a rubber band. I'm over here being so extra. I'm gonna try to use a black rubber band and see what it do. Cause I don't want to mess up my passion twist, but at the same time, I want this to be really cute. Period. Okay, y'all saw what I did. All right, just use a little black rubber band. Like, first, obviously use a scrunchie to protect your hair, and then use the black rubber band to put it, if you want to like do this hairstyle. I'm not telling you to do this hairstyle, but anyway, look how cute this came out. Like, I'm telling you, your girl should start doing hair, period. I literally only watched one video on how to do this, and it was mad simple, mad easy. And I would definitely be doing this as a protective style for me from now on because of how simple it was and how cute it is. Like, I live for a cute short protective style. I tried to do braids and I didn't have the right braiding hair, so it was just a whole mess. No, absolutely not. This is super duper cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you really liked it, if you're gonna try it. Leave a comment down below. Ask me any questions you want about this hair, the process, my surgery, because like I said, sis is coming up. I will also be vlogging my surgery and posting daily on my surgery. Like, I didn't do this last time because your girl just didn't know what to expect, but I know what to expect now and it's not that bad. So I'm definitely going to be vlogging and editing and posting, you know, the days after it happens. So I'm going to do like pre-op, surgery day, and post-op on the first vlog. And then the other vlogs are gonna be like a few days after. So it'll be like day 2 through 4 and then day 4 through whatever. And then on my flight home. and then I'm gonna give y'all a rundown on my results like a week or two after. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. I would love to have you come back and join our family. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next banger. Bye guys.